just like the guy whose feet are too big for his bed. Nothing seems to fit. Those raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling. So I just did me some talking to the sun, and I said I didn't like the way he got things done, sleeping on the job. Those raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling because I'm free. Nothing's worrying me. It won't be long till happiness steps up to greet me. Raindrops keep falling.
And when the borderline is tau equals 0, the eigenvalues are someone, please.
0.23 electron volts.
Cause I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining.
Excellent work today, Parker. Keep it up.
Because I'm free, nothing's worrying me.